दिस अभी जब मेरे साथ बैठे हैं ना मेरे दिमाग में ये एवरग्रीन गाना प्ले हो रहा है आजा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जा आजा मेरी गाड़ी
When we now when I sign a movie, it comes with the release date on it.
oh
I know when it's out in the cinemas, which never happened in our time. An actor would live Friday to Friday. Friday हमारी पिक्चर लगती थी, we would be at all the theaters going from उस time digital नहीं. So I do have another big release coming up this year, which I will tell you when the time is right. Hi, I'm Shiva and you're watching me on India Forum. Keep watching.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
well इस वक्त इंडिया फोरम्स में हमारे साथ मौजूद है एक बहुत ही खास शख्स वी हैव सीन हर इन renowned films like सूर्यवंशी मिस 420 प्यार का रोग एंड मेनी मोर बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस अभी जब मेरे साथ बैठे हैं ना मेरे दिमाग में ये एवरग्रीन गाना प्ले हो रहा है आजा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जा आजा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जा because she is this evergreen. Welcoming Shiva ma'am in conversation with me on India Forums. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
Very good.
How firstly I want to ask you ma'am how does it feel कि इतने सालों बाद भी when we saw you in जिगरा लोगों को वही प्यार मिल रहा है वही सारी affection है do you think things have changed for you इतने सालों में इंडस्ट्री में या they have remained the same especially for your audiences
For my audiences, changes in terms of the kind of roles the
Yeah.
trajectory of the parts that I'm doing, because I was a main lead actress
correct
for all my career,
yes
and now I've chosen to come back and try and do interesting characters.
yes
So of course that has changed,
correct
but other than that, they're still very loving.
ऑफ कोर्स दे आर और मैं तो स्पेशली ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि देर आर सम कैरेक्टर्स जो आपके साथ रह जाते हैं तो क्या अभी भी ऐसे कुछ इंस्टेंसेस होते हैं आपके साथ कि आपके नाम के अलावा आपको उस कैरेक्टर के नाम से पहचाना जाता है इवन टुडे
It doesn't really happen in movies. So
Okay.
in a movie, you are always known as your own name.
करेक्ट
It happens in television.
Uh-huh.
Television actors get popular by the actor they're playing
True.
because it
True.
happens over a year,
Yes.
or so.
It does.
But in films, no, they always know who's this actor. So even the part might stay with them, it affected them and they loved it and it
जी.
made them cry or laugh.
जी
But they will still come and say, "वो Shiva थी."
yeah
You know?
if I'm supposed to ask you आपका पहला फैन एनकाउंटर याद होगा मैम आपको
Oh my God, that was like a lifetime ago. I do not remember.
you don't remember
No.
oh I just wanted to know कि वो कैसा फील होता होगा ना पहली बार कोई फैन आके ऑटोग्राफ
Every time they come, you feel good.
yeah
It's a feel good factor when nice people come up to you and say how much they love your work, or
correct
how much of an influence you are in their life, or their
Correct.
fitness,
correct
or their journey, or their skincare. It always feels lovely. Feedback is great.
ट्रू दैट मैम इतने सारे इंडस्ट्री में रह के बीइंग द लीडिंग लेडी उसके बाद में आपने टेलीविजन में भी काम किया देन अगेन बैक टू फिल्म्स एंड मतलब वो कंटिन्यूटी रही है आपकी यू आर द राइट पर्सन फॉर मी टू आस्क कि क्यों चेंज आपको मेजर चेंज लग रहा है हमारी एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री में बैक देन एंड टुडे
So now it's way more streamlined. People are way more organized. Timelines are followed.
करेक्ट
So when I sign a movie, it comes with the release date on it.
oh
I know when it's out in the cinemas, which never happened in our time. We would like just go with the flow. कि कभी ना कभी लगेगी या नहीं भी लगेगी.
uncertainty was always there
Always.
and with the kind of films that we are going ahead these days जो pan India का पूरा माहौल छाया हुआ है with the OTT boom and all of that how do you look at this I mean बीच में तो काफी ज्यादा डिबेट भी चल रही थी साउथ फिल्म्स एंड हमारे बॉलीवुड की do you think this as a competition or do you think कि यार ये हमारी पूरी फैमिली है
I think getting better cinema and like a worldview where everybody is watching every language movie now.
correct
There is a specific audience जो साउथ की ही फिल्म्स देखती है because
Yeah.
their content and the way they push the envelope is amazing.
true
So it's competition is healthy.
true
It's healthy. It makes all filmmakers want to do better and more and bigger.
Correct.
So, yeah. it's a
आपकी
good
कोई
thing.
recent favorite pan India film होगी जो आप नेम करना चाहोगे
I loved Pushpa.
Yeah.
Loved it. 1 and 2. I was like kick-ass.
सो मतलब अभी फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैम को कोई काम करना है ना साउथ की कोई फिल्म में तो पुष्पा वाले डायरेक्टर से हम पिच कर देंगे
Absolutely.
वेल ऑल्सो अभी हम ये एक पैटर्न नोटिस कर रहे हैं शिवाजी कि फिल्म रिलीज होते के साथ उसी दिन से उसके बॉक्स ऑफिस आंकड़ों की गिनती शुरू हो जाती है
Yes.
है ना?
हाँ.
तो ये प्रेशर अब एक्टर्स पे भी आ जाता है कि यार पिछली फिल्म ने इतना किया, अब ये इतना करना चाहिए. बट बैक देन व्हेन यूज्ड टू डू दीस फिल्म्स, यू नो, तब ये दिल में एक्सपेक्टेशंस होती थी, प्रेशर, डर कुछ होता था या
Of course, an actor would live Friday to Friday. Friday हमारी पिक्चर लगती थी, we would be at all the theaters going from, उस टाइम डिजिटल नहीं था.
करेक्ट
So we would go personally and check कि टिकट विंडो पे टिकट्स कट रही हैं.
Correct.
Sometimes you stand in the
Wow.
box office, you know, and greet our
Really?
fans and go into shows. So the number game was always
करेक्ट
uh,
करेक्ट देयर
stressful
Yeah.
for main lead actors.
Hmm.
Because literally we would say कि an actor lives from a Friday to a Friday.
Yeah.
But now the
Hmm.
pressure's off me, so I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm okay.
पर अभी ये भी सामने आ रही है कुछ सारी बातें कि ये जो गिनती होती है बॉक्स ऑफिस के नंबर्स की, ये आजकल अपना नाम बनाने बचाने के लिए काफी ज्यादा फेक भी होती है. डू यू थिंक इट हैपेंस?
होती होगी, पहले भी होती थी.
हाँ.
So you could, and it's not fake as in you
Hmm.
have still put in the money in the box
Correct.
office.
Correct.
Because you're not going to create a number without throwing money at it,
True
right?
that. True that.
So then अगर collection 1 करोड़ की आई है तो if you've spent
Correct.
couple of lakhs out of that, you have spent it. So it's
Correct.
still money that came into the
Absolutely.
box office.
Absolutely.
So it's not really cheating. It's money.
If I have to ask you, ma'am, initial days के struggles आपके इंडस्ट्री में कैसे रहेंगे? Because now when we see लोगों का ये मानना है कि ना स्टार किड्स को उतनी ज्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती to get a project or something like that, because already they have a name. तो आपका इनिशियली कुछ इंडस्ट्री में जब आपने एंटर किया होगा, यू नो, विदाउट एनी गॉडफादर, विदाउट एनी कॉन्टैक्ट्स, वो दिन अभी आज जब आते हैं तो do you have
So
anything to share?
I'm going to not agree with you
Hmm.
about star kids having it easy.
Hmm.
I don't think they have it
Hmm.
easy. In fact, they have it harder.
Okay,
Expectations are higher,
correct.
and not necessarily because you're a star kid, you're not going to get a part. I know, without taking names, there are plenty of actors whose kids are sitting at home for years and years
Yeah,
and years,
yeah.
not getting the right parts
Correct,
and not
correct.
able to be like a normal young person because of that pressure.
True.
So the pressure is equivalent. Perhaps you'll get to meet more people more easily.
Yeah.
But it's not true कि मैं क्योंकि आपसे मिली आप मुझे पिक्चर में ले लोगे.
Correct.
Because मैं XYZ की बेटी हूँ
या बेटा हूँ,
बेटा
yeah.
हूँ या whatever. So that's not true. I think it's just this whole nepo kids thing has
Yeah.
become a thing in our industry when there is no need.
Okay.
Because literally the worldwide, usually doctor का बच्चा डॉक्टर बनता है, lawyer का बच्चा lawyer बनता है. That's what they see in the house,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So they say कि बच्चे के सामने वही करो what you want him to emulate.
True
So
that.
me as a woman, if I'm an actor and then in the natural progression of things, the next generation chooses to follow the footsteps,
True
that's
that.
really not a big deal. I don't know why it's made out to be.
Yeah.
You know, for example, you like writing, maybe maybe your child will want to get
Correct,
into
correct,
a creative field. So why is that wrong?
Yeah.
And why is it unfair to the people whose parents don't come from the same line?
Yeah.
I don't come from the line,
Correct.
but I somehow struggled and bungled my way through
Yeah.
my career.
Yeah.
But I did it.
Yeah.
So it's not as if it can't be done.
Yeah.
In fact, अगर अभी भी आप हमारी फिल्म लाइन लेंगे, 90% of the top actors are non-film
Yep.
background वाले.
Yep.
10% है उसमें
बिल्कुल.
इतना क्या, you know, what's the
बिल्कुल.
thing? Yeah.
तो इनिशियल डेज का कुछ आपको याद है, कोई challenges
So
which
it was
made us
always
strong?
the struggle was always that there were multiple actors vying for the same part.
हाँ जी.
हीरोज लिमिटेड थे, मतलब
Correct.
मेन लीड वाले मेन ए लिस्टर्स थे.
Correct.
तो फिर वो कितने पिक्चर करेंगे साल में, राइट? सो जस्ट स्ट्रगलिंग एंड देन you needed your films to work to get your next movie.
Correct.
So that struggle,
Is
अब
there.
struggle तो हमारी लाइन में है ही.
Is there.
When you come into film industry,
हाँ.
you have to have a very strong mindset and a very strong heart, because your
बिल्कुल.
heart breaks constantly.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल। I mean, I just love how positively, she looks at her struggles in the industry. Well, आजकल अगर आप नोटिस करोगे ना शिवा मैम, फिल्म के री-रिलीजेस काफी हो रहे हैं, ठीक है?
हाँ
है ना? There are films coming. For example, ये जवानी है दीवानी re-released, and
हाँ
उसके re-release पे it has,
made
garnered
so much
8
money.
crores.
हाँ
Of the last report that I read, अभी ज्यादा हुआ होगा. And
हाँ
if कहो ना प्यार है, if I was supposed to ask you, आपकी कोई पसंदीदा फिल्म जब फिर से थिएटर में देखना चाहोगी, तो वो कौन सी होगी और क्यों?
You know, there are so many films of mine which I feel came at the wrong time.
Hmm.
Perhaps Ye Aag Kab Bujhegi, my first movie on dowry death, which is
Hmm.
socially relevant and really well made. That one would
This
be a
was a
great.
subject for our BMM project, by the way.
It was,
Yeah, it
right?
was. It was.
So it was such a fantastic movie and so real,
Yeah,
authentic. Then I would love to see Pyar Ka Saya re-release.
of course.
I loved it. I even now love the songs of Pyar Ka Saya.
Yeah.
I love that whole love that that woman has for a ghost.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that would be a great film to
Yes.
re-release. नाचने वाले गाने वाले.
Definitely. I mean, we हम इसकी एक रील कटेगी और हम डालने वाले हैं ये सोशल मीडिया पे, and we're gonna take a poll and we're looking forward for all of these films to release. और अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं हाल ही में कोई released film, which you were not a part of, but अगर आप होती तो you would have been loved to do that film. ऐसी कौन सी फिल्म?
सारे साउथ वाली. I love the way they kind of don't have like a gender thing. कि women don't do action or they're not strong. I love that characters
They're
are
honest.
equally
Correct.
kick-ass characters. I love that.
हम दोनों का एक ही म्यूचुअल प्यार है साउथ में. Well, ma'am, we also saw you doing roles in television. We saw you in Nagin. वो decision, was it a self-made conscious decision या फिर आपको एक अच्छी script आई and then you thought,
So I think the way I look at my career is I kind of meander through
Yeah.
decisions.
Yeah.
I really don't put too much
Thought.
into
Got it.
it. And when this came up, and I thought to myself, that's a successful show to be
Yeah.
part of. It's
Yeah.
one of the iconic shows
Yeah.
of television. So if I'm getting to be a nice, positive person in it,
Yeah.
why not? So I really didn't think much about
Okay,
it.
so just कि आना
It just
आ रहा है
happened
तो
and I
आने
did it
का
and
kind
I'm
of.
done.
Wonderful. Iconic की अगर बात हो रही है तो जैसे मैंने मैम के इंट्रोडक्शन में एक आइकॉनिक सॉन्ग का जिक्र किया था मैम, the song was used in Rocky और रानी की प्रेम
Again
कहानी
and imagine. And it was such a pleasant surprise for me because watching myself
Yeah.
in a film and then watching my song coming time and again, I was like, yay!
I just wanted to ask you, how does it feel कि इतने सालों बाद भी जुबान पे है वो गाना लोगों के, लूप में चलता है अभी भी.
Correct.
And such evergreen song, मतलब अभी के अगर हम गाने देखें तो I feel these rap songs and all are temporary for me at
For
least.
everyone.
90s के गाने अभी भी जब घर पे सुनते हैं, है ना?
We all have a recall, immediate recall with all the 90s
Correct.
music. There is some iconic blockbuster songs and melodic songs and
Yeah.
well sung songs and well composed songs.
Yes.
So they stuck with you over
It
3
does.
decades.
True.
But अभी क्या है, म्यूजिक हम लोग रील पे देखते हैं,
हाँ.
वो हफ्ते हमको वो बहुत ज्यादा पसंद आता है, हम
Correct.
लूप पे सुनते हैं, and then that's it.
True.
We forgot about it.
True.
Like if you tell me what's your current favorite song, I have zero idea.
Wonderfully said, मैम. रॉकी और रानी में हमने आपको देख लिया, जिगरा में हमने आपको देख लिया. अब आपको देखने की चाह और बढ़ रही है फैंस के दिलों में. Are there any upcoming projects without giving
So
out
this
much?
week I had a release, Fateh,
Fateh, yes.
which is an out and out action.
Action.
Sonu Sood has pushed the envelope in
Yeah.
action in this movie, like how.
Yes.
So I got to be a part of the film in a very interesting, simpleton Punjabi character.
Yeah.
Very unlike what somebody would typically perceive me
Correct,
to be.
correct.
So when Sonu said there is this character and I would like you to do it, I actually dressed the part and I went to meet him. I mean, even though he's such a dear friend,
Yeah.
I said no, since you are going to narrate
Correct.
Surjeet to me, I went dressed in like a patiala and a mojdi.
Wow.
And, I wanted to be Surjeet. And then he was very clear about the fact that he
Okay.
wants her to be that hate
Yeah.
Punjaban गाँव वाली
हाँ.
with no makeup,
Yeah.
गुट बांधी हुई,
हाँ जी.
कॉटन के कपड़े,
कपड़े.
शॉल लपेटी हुई winter में.
Yeah.
And she had some really intense scenes in the movie. So it was an interesting part to do. And we went right into Punjab
Yeah.
खेतों
Yeah.
में and
Yeah.
into a proper existing house. It wasn't
Yeah.
like a set or something.
Yeah.
वो चूल्हा चौकी सब वो पुराने
Wow.
जमाने की, so it was very nice.
Very real.
Yeah, and the DOP is an Italian person. He's done an outstanding job. No lights, but
Yeah.
what a job.
Yeah, I met Sonu sir and he told me that how he reused those guys, you know, जो मारा पीटी वाले scene में use किए थे.
हाँ.
60-70 people only he had and they had to reuse them again and again.
Yeah.
It was wonderful, ma'am. Upcoming projects के बारे में अगर आप हमें कुछ बताएंगे.
So I do have another big release coming up this year, which I will tell you when the time is right.